shadow grows on the wall behind you, swallowing your darkness. It is almost here.
What is it?
What if it's the Demogorgon? Oh, Jesus, we're so screwed if it's the Demogorgon.
It's not the Demogorgon.
An army of troglodytes charge into the chamber.
Troglodytes.
Told ya.
Hear that? That sound. Ooh. That didn't come from the troglodytes. No, that came from something else. The Demogorgon!
We're in deep shit.
Will, your action!
I don't know.
Fireball
They
him!
have to roll a 13 or higher.
Too risky. Cast a protection spell.
Don't be a pussy. Fireball him.
Cast protection.
The Demogorgon is tired of your silly human bickering. It stops towards you. Boom! Fireball him, Will! Stop! Boom!
Cast protection.
It was in anger! And
Fireball!
And fireball!
Where'd it go? Where is it? I don't know.
Is it a 13?
I don't know.
Oh my
Where is
God,
it?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Where is it? Can you find it yet?
No, I can't
Oh my
find
God.
it.
Oh my
Hi!
Is it a
Mom, we're in the middle of a campaign.
You mean the end? 15 after.
Oh my God. Oh, like an idiot. Have to go.
Mom, wait, just 20 more minutes.
School night, Michael. I just put Holly to bed. You can finish next
But
weekend.
then I ruined the flow.
Michael.
I'm serious, Mom. The campaign took 2 weeks to plan. How was I supposed to know it was going to take 10 hours?
You've been playing for 10 hours?
Dad, don't you think that 20 more
I think you should listen to your mother. Dumb piece of junk.
Oh, I got it! Does the 7 count?
It was a 7? Did Mike see it? Then it doesn't count.
Hey, guys. Does anyone want this?
No.
No, I don't think so. Barb,
Hey, Nancy. There's a slice left if you want it. Sausage and pepperoni.
hold on.
There's something wrong with your sister.
What are you talking about?
She's got a stick up her butt.
Yeah, it's because she's been dating that douchebag Steve Harrington.
Yep. She's turning into a real jerk.
She's always been a real jerk.
She used to be cool. Like that time she dressed up as an elf for our Elder Tree campaign.
4 years ago!
Just saying.
Later. It was a 7.
Huh?
The roll, it was a 7. The Demogorgon, it got me. See you tomorrow. Good night, ladies.
Kiss your mom night for me. Right back to my place. Winter gets a comic.
Any comic?
Yeah. Hey! Hey! I didn't say go! Get back here! I'm gonna kill you!
I'll take your X-Men 1, 3, 4! hungry for your blood. It is almost here.
What is it?
It's the Thessalhydra, I'm telling you.
It's not the Thessalhydra.
I'm telling you, it's the Thessalhydra.
The Thessalhydra!
Oh, damn it.
It roars in anger! Wheel your action!
What should I do?
Fireball him!
Fireball, the son of a bitch. 14!
Direct hit! Wheel the Watch's fireball hits the Thessalhydra! It makes a painful... And then it crumbles to the ground. Its clawed hand reaches for you one last time and... Lucas cuts off the 7 heads and Dustin places them into his bag of holding. You carry the heads out of the dungeon victorious, and you present them to King Tristan. He thanks you for your bravery and service.
Whoa. That's not it, is it?
No, there's a medal ceremony.
Oh, a medal ceremony? What are you talking about?
Yeah, man, the campaign was way too short.
Yeah, it was 10 hours.
But it doesn't make any sense.
It makes sense.
Oh, no. What about the Lost Knight?
And the proud princess, and those weird flowers in the cave. I don't know.
Jeez, what's that smell? You guys been playing games all day or just farting?
No, it's just Dustin. He farted. Dustin farted.
Okay, very well.
Oh,
Yeah, shut up.
Bye, guys. See you.
See well.
Stop.
Will you stop?
No, you... There's a stupid penny.
Dusty, watch it. You must have you.
Can I please check under your cushions?
Dusty.
Mom, please, it's an emergency. Love you, Mom. Lucas, you copy? I've got 4 quarters. What's your haul?
Take your puny haul and multiply it by 5.
How?
Are you scrounging around like a homeless bum?
I mowed old man Humphrey's lawn.
Old man Humphreys got that kind of cash?
Just call Mike already.
You call Mike.
I have to go take a shower from doing real work.
Like a man.
Over and out.
Mike, you copy? Mike, you copy?
Yeah, I copy.
What the hell are you doing on this channel?
Nothing.
Well, Lucas and I have $6 total. What's your haul?
Shit, I don't know yet. What do you mean you don't know yet?
Come on!
Call Will!
What the hell are you doing?
I'll pay you back! Bye!
Mike! Get back here!
No running in the house.
What is going on? Mike! Mike! Asshole!
Sorry. Again.
We're gonna miss the opening.
Yeah, if you guys keep whining about it, let's go.
If you guys keep whining about it.
Just please stop talking, dude.
Let me guess. You were busy.
Oh, yeah, real or true, Lucas?
Oh, Elle, I wish we could make out forever and never hang out with any of our friends.
Lucas, stop.
Will thinks it's funny.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it's so funny that I want to spend romantic time with my girlfriend.
I'm spending romantic time with my girlfriend.
Excuse me, sorry.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Watch it. Yeah, watch it, nerd.
Isn't it past your bedtime?
Isn't it time you die?
Psycho?
Butthead.
Mall rat?
Fart face. Oh no, that was mature.
Hey, Dingus, your children are here.
Again? Seriously? Come on. I swear, if anybody hears about this, we're dead.
Remember, if anyone sees us, look sad.
Attention students. There will be an assembly to honor Will Byers in the gymnasium now. Do not lose the period.
It's locked. What? Hey, do you think you can open it with your powers?
Boys? Assembly's about to start.
We know. We're just,
Upset. Yeah, definitely upset.
we need some alone time.
Cry.
Listen, I get it. I do. I know how hard this is. But let's just be there for Will, huh? And then... the Heath kid is all yours for the rest of the day. What do you say? Well, I don't believe we've met. What's your name?
11.
Eleanor.
She's my,
Cousin. Second cousin.
she's here for reals,
Well, welcome to Hawkins Middle, Eleanor. Wish you were here under better circumstances.
Thank you.
Where are you from, exactly?
Bad place.
Sweden.
I have a lot of Swedish family.
She hates it there. Cold. Sub-zero.
Shall we?
Yep.